Hi, I'm Silke. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm a psychologist and life coach, and I make videos for handling typical social interactions like talking to your boss or talking to your colleagues or about conflict management and stress management. In today's video, I am diving into a topic that's super important whether you are working in a team or planning a family event or even deciding what to have for dinner. I'm talking about collaborative decision making. Have you ever been stuck in a meeting where everyone has different ideas and it just feels impossible to make a decision? Or maybe you faced a situation where you just can't decide on something important or what's best for everybody. Well, you're not alone. Decision making can be tricky, especially when more than one person is involved. But don't worry, because today we are going to break it down together. We begin with talking about what exactly collaborative decision making is. Well, to put it simply, it's a process that emphasizes bringing people together to make choices that everyone can agree on. Imagine it is a team sport where every member plays a crucial role in reaching the final goal. Just like in a well coordinated team, each person's input is valued and their unique perspectives are considered, which makes the final decision more robust and well rounded, of course. This method of decision making is not only effective in producing better outcomes, but also plays a significant role in enhancing teamwork and fostering a deeper understanding among participants. When people collaborate, they learn to appreciate different viewpoints and develop stronger relationships, which is invaluable in both professional and personal settings. All right, now let's dive a bit into the different types of decision making to understand where collaboration fits in. First, there's individual decision making, where a single person is in charge and makes decisions independently. This approach can be efficient in situations where quick decisions are necessary, but it often lacks the depth and breadth of insights that come from multiple perspectives. On the other hand, we have group decision making, where decisions are made collectively. This is where collaborative decision making shines. It's ideal for scenarios that require diverse input and consensus from various stakeholders. For example, in a business setting, launching a new product might require input from marketing, from sales, and product development teams to ensure that all aspects are covered and the decision is well informed. Collaborative decision making is particularly effective in environments where buy-in from multiple parties is crucial. By involving everyone in the decision-making process, you ensure that all voices are heard and that the final decision reflects a collective agreement. This not only leads to more innovative solutions, but also increases the likelihood of successful implementation, as everyone involved feels a sense of ownership and also commitment to the outcome. Let's walk through a straightforward yet effective decision-making process that you can apply in just any collaborative setting, whether it's in a workplace or community group or even within a family. The first step is to clearly identify the decision that needs to be made. This involves defining the problem or opportunity in precise terms, which sets the stage for everything that follows. For instance, if your team needs to decide on a new marketing strategy, clearly articulating the goal, such as increasing brand awareness or boosting sales, is crucial. It ensures that everyone is on the same page from the beginning. Once the decision is identified, the next step is to gather information by collecting relevant data and insights. This might involve researching marketing trends or analyzing competitor strategies or understanding customer preferences. The key is to become as informed as possible because the quality of your decision heavily depends on the quality of the information you have. Think of it as building a solid foundation for a house. The stronger the foundation, the more resilient the structure, right? Next, consider the alternatives by brainstorming possible options. Encourage everyone involved to contribute ideas and make it clear that even the most unconventional suggestions are indeed welcome. This stage is all about creativity and open-mindedness. For example, if you are deciding on a new product feature, include ideas from all team members, from developers to customer service representatives, as they all bring unique perspectives to the table. After generating a list of possible options, weigh the evidence by discussing the pros and cons of each. This is where collaboration really shines, as different perspectives can highlight different aspects of the potential outcomes. For instance, one option might be cost-effective but risky, while another might be more expensive but safer. By analyzing these factors collectively, you can make a more balanced and informed decision. When it comes time to make the decision, it is important to aim for consensus among the group. This means striving to reach an agreement that everyone can support, creating a sense of unity and collective commitment to the chosen course of action. Consensus is not just about agreement. It's about ensuring that each member of the group feels heard and valued in the decision-making process. However, it's also crucial to be prepared for compromise, as achieving unanimous agreement in a diverse group is quite rare. People come from different backgrounds, right? So they possess unique perspectives and have varying priorities. These differences can make it challenging, of course, to find a solution that satisfies everyone entirely. In many cases, individuals may need to concede certain preferences for the greater good of the group. For example, in a business setting, a team member might prefer a particular strategy based on their expertise or past experiences, yet they might recognize that another approach better aligns with the overall goals of the project or organization. Similarly, in a family setting, you might have to choose a vacation destination that isn't everyone's top pick, but offers something enjoyable for each family member. This willingness to compromise is not a sign of weakness, but rather a demonstration of maturity and commitment to the group's objectives. And that's perfectly okay. The essence of collaborative decision-making is not about getting everything you want, but it's about working together to find a solution that is acceptable to all. The goal is to reach a decision that everyone can support, even if it's not their first choice. This support is critical for the successful implementation of the decision, as it fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among all members. When everyone feels invested in the outcome, there is a higher likelihood of cooperation and effort toward achieving the shared goals. In the end, the ability to compromise and work towards consensus strengthens the group, enhancing its effectiveness and cohesion in future decision-making endeavors. After making the decision, take action by implementing it and ensuring everyone knows their role in the execution. Clear communication is vital here to prevent any misunderstandings or any delays. Whether it's launching a campaign or rolling out a new policy, make sure each person understands their responsibilities and the timelines. Finally, review the decision after some time to evaluate the outcome. Reflect on what worked well and what didn't. This evaluation is crucial as it provides valuable insights that can improve future decision-making. For instance, if the new marketing strategy did not achieve the desired results, analyze why and what could be done differently next time. This reflection not only enhances learning, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement within the team or within the organization. All right, let's move on to a few essential tips to guide you in making the right decision, especially when working collaboratively with others. First and foremost, clear communication is absolutely crucial. This involves keeping the lines of communication open at all times, actively listening to what others have to say. That's important too, and ensuring that everyone involved feels heard and understood. Effective communication is the foundation of successful collaboration, and it can significantly impact the quality of the decisions made. For example, during team meetings, it's beneficial to encourage all members to share their thoughts and provide feedback. Make sure to acknowledge their contributions, whether they align with your initial thoughts or not. This practice not only fosters an inclusive environment where just everyone feels valued, but also helps in gathering diverse perspectives that can enrich the decision-making process. Next, it's important to stay flexible and be willing to adapt if new information arises. In today's fast-paced world, situations can change rapidly, right? And being rigid in your approach can hinder progress and innovation. For instance, if new data or insights become available, it's vital to be prepared to revisit your initial assumptions and adjust your plans accordingly. This adaptability is a key component of effective decision-making, allowing you to respond to unforeseen challenges and opportunities swiftly and efficiently. By maintaining a flexible mindset, you open the door to continuous improvement and creativity. Respecting differences is another vital aspect of making successful decisions. Different opinions and viewpoints are not just inevitable, they are invaluable. They often lead to innovative and better solutions that might not have been conceived in a more homogeneous group. For example, in a multicultural team, each member brings unique experiences and ideas, which can be leveraged to tackle problems from various angles. By embracing this diversity of thought, you encourage creativity and can arrive at more comprehensive and robust decisions. Diversity should be seen as a strength, providing a rich tapestry of ideas that can enhance the decision-making process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making decisions collaboratively. Remember, it's not just about reaching any decision. It's about doing so in a way that strengthens your team and makes everyone feel valued. By fostering clear communication, staying flexible, and also by embracing diverse perspectives, you create an environment where collaborative decision-making can truly thrive. This approach not only enhances the quality of the decisions made, but also builds a stronger, more cohesive team that is equipped to face future challenges together. In the long run, such a team is more resilient and more innovative and more capable of achieving great things, both individually and collectively. All right, I hope you liked this video and, more importantly, found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future new videos. Also, if you subscribe, it really helps my channel grow and it helps me make more helpful and useful content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video.